yeah, John Twomey, you're a great fan, obviously, of Rosehip Vital, both for horse and people. And firstly, yourself, having had a lousy accident 4 years ago, and not thinking of it quite some time, even though your horse had won Rosehip Vital, the light bulb went on. I thought, oh, maybe with my wrecked shoulder and hip and ribs and everything else, that I should have a go. And what happened?
Well, it was interesting because I don't have a lot of attention on my own upkeep, you know. But Justin had said you should really try the human stuff, and he rang me out of the blue, and I just finished my first bottle of loading on the loading dose, and I said to him, I haven't even given it a thought because I'm getting on the first 2 horses in the morning traditionally, because I dislocated my hip and fractured my pelvis. And the soft tissue damage around the hip dislocation was what gave me most of the grief, and my right shoulder. I've got a 13 mil tear in the supraspinatus that should have been restructured, but I didn't want to risk a frozen shoulder. And one loading bottle, and I'm getting on the first horse in the morning and don't even notice it. And my shoulder has not given me any grief for over 2 months.
It's bizarre, isn't it? Like, it is really, yeah, I can tell a similar story, but I don't need to because it just works. It's incredible.
It's mind-blowing.
It is. It's strange, isn't it?
Yeah.
You read lots about vitamins and multivitamins and this for that and all these different things, and we all have a bit of a go at it, but I've never ever found anything that makes a big difference, and I guess you're the same. I mean, you know, when you're in a job like you are that is really physical and riding horses and outside and winter and cold and stuff, you know, you really start to feel the history that's gone in behind all your poor old joints, and we don't look after them as a younger person, and now we expect something that's going to perform some bloody miracle, and thank God Rosehip Vital's around, because it is a bit of a miracle for me.
Yeah, I just tell everyone you've got to try 1 bottle of this stuff, because it's really nutrition you can feel.
Yep, absolutely. And as far as your general health wise, I mean, it's not only for joints, you know, when you do a bit of reading about it, which I've done a lot because it just works and I feel great on it, it really is a well-being drug. I mean, it makes you feel better taking it as far as just your general health.
Yeah.
And
I think I'm blooming, Roger.
Yeah. You actually look much better. You actually do look really well, but I mean, who wouldn't riding horses every day and having a great time?
Yeah.
And having a good wife,
dream.
that helps.
Living the dream.
Living the dream, that's it. With Rosehip Vital to just enhance it a bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great. It is. It's super. So, have you had a period where you stopped taking it?
No, not yet. I'm not game to.
Don't. You know, that bloom, it goes.
Yeah, really quickly.
Really quickly. No, yeah, I've had a couple of times when I've stopped because I've been away and I've forgotten or something. Oh, what the hell? I will not leave home without it. There is no way. Because it seriously made it, I couldn't believe how quickly downhill I went, like within a week. Yeah, knees especially, but there, bit had it. But yeah, good on you.
Thanks.
Good luck in the future. I hope your body keeps holding together.
Thanks, Roger.